In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to upload the listing documents to a listing in Skyslope. So once you have created the actual listing or created the listing in Skyslope, you'll notice that it takes you to a checklist page. Now you can always go to this page anytime you're in Skyslope. You just go to your active listings and then you can click on the listing. And then you can go right to the checklist tab. It's right here. And what you'll notice is that there are a number of documents here on the page that you can upload. Some are in blue, some are in red. There'll be other colors that you'll see later on, such as yellow and green and so on. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to upload documents into each of the red checked spaces that says required, because these documents are required to be uploaded. The first one is MLS. Now the way you're going to do this is you're going to log into the MLS. Once you are on the property itself, you're just going to print out a MLS sheet. You just click print, and you can do a 360 property view or an agent one page, doesn't matter. And then you're going to say print to PDF. Once that PDF is created, you're going to want to name it. So I'm going to name this Windsong MLS. And I'm going to save it in the appropriate folder. I'm going to go to Knolly Transactions, go to this particular property, and I'm actually going to call it Windsong MLS Active. Because once the property is under contract, you have to download the MLS sheet showing that it's under contract. This one just shows that it is active on MLS. So now I'm going to go back to Skyslope, and I'm going to attach that MLS document. Go to Upload Documents. I'm going to find it. And there it is. I can open that. And it's going to upload that document. Now you'll do that for every one of these. You'll notice that it changes to yellow, which means that the property's in review. That means that our compliance department is now reviewing that to see if it complies. And you're going to go through, and now it wants me to upload the exclusive right to sell. So I'm going to hit Upload Document, go to Listing Documents, and residential. There it is, exclusive right to sale. Okay. Once you find the document, you'll see that there's a listing docs folder here, and it has all the listing documents in it. That's the exclusive right to sale. Now, the seller's disclosure, you already have that. You find that document. I'm not sure if that has already been added to the folder. Let me look. To the Windsong folder. I don't see it here. Okay, so you'll add that document to the Windsong folder on our shared Google folder drive. And once that document is there, now if the seller's disclosure was there, then we would go ahead and upload that, and we would upload it to this particular field. Information about brokerage services. I'm going to hit attach, click upload, and I'm going to find that document, information about brokerage services. Then the next one, wire fraud advisory notice. I'm going to hit attach. I'm going to hit upload, and then I'm going to find wire fraud warning is the name of that document. CMA. I'm going to hit attach, upload document, and we're going to look for the CMA. And let's see if we can see it here. Yeah, I don't have the CMA here, so I'll have to add the CMA. So if there's any documents that you don't see when you're uploading, just let me know. And of course, we'll go ahead and get those to you. The MLS document is one that I need to create. The EXP affiliated business arrangement disclosure. I'm going to hit attach, upload, and affiliated business. There it is, affiliated business arrangement notification. Sometimes they have a slightly different name. You'll get familiar with the documents once you preview them. And then this is disclosure of relationship with residential service company. Click attach, upload, and look for that. Let's see, there it is. First, oh no, that here it is. Disclosure of relationship with residential service company. Okay, and we'll upload that one. And that's all there is to uploading documents to a listing. Occasionally, we will have some other documents that are like the survey, not required, but we'll have them. And then the net sheet, not required, but we may have it. Let me see. I think we do have a net sheet. Let me upload. Actually, our net sheet may not be a separate. Yeah, here it is. Seller's estimated net sheet. Since we have it, we'll go ahead and upload it. And we're still waiting for the T47 on this one. We might, if we have the survey, we'll upload that as well. And if there are any other docs that we have, we will upload those as well.